Good morning, honorable judges, respected teacher, and my beloved friends. My name is Akata Angelica Mista. I'm now a junior high school student. But today I stand here not only as a student. I would like here to share why batik is not just a fabric, but a living story of our nation. My fellow student, allow me to ask a question. Have you ever opened your grandmother's wardrobe and found an old piece of batik? Maybe it looks simple, probably the color has faded, but when you touch it, you could feel something special. Have you wondered why do we still wear batik today? Why is it used in school, wedding, even international events? Is it only fabric or does it have a deeper meaning? Everyone, batik is one of Indonesia's greatest treasure. Firstly, people may think batik is just clothes with the patterns. But the truth is, batik carries history, philosophy, and identity. Every motif has a meaning. For example, parang. Parang symbolizes strength and bravery, while kawung represents wisdom and purity. Did you know? In 2009, UNESCO recognized batik as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. This proves that batik is not only important for us, but also respected by the world. As a young generation, we didn't only wear batik, but also to understand its meaning and preserve it. Designers today create a modern batik that can be worn by young people with a pride. So, batik is not old-fashioned, it's timeless. We can also promote batik on social media, support local artisans, and we have so many batik famous brands, such as Batik Semar, Batik Keris, and others. As Sukarno once said, a nation that doesn't respect its culture has no future. By respecting batik, we are create brighter future for Indonesia. Imagine one day you walk into a museum and you see a piece of batik hanging on the wall. Remind us it's our identity along with pride values that no money together with fashion could ever measure. As long as we preserve and wear it, the world will remember who we are. If one day someone asks me, why does batik matter to you? I will gently answer because batik is not merely clothes. It's the poetry of our past, it's the legacy of our ancestors. It's the beginning of our duty to honor batik. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.